Welcome. Mahayogi Vinodanand from India, lineage Devraha Baba, immediate Guru Sri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi. I prostrate in the lotus feet of all the Naga Babas, all the ascetics, all the celibates, all the yoga practitioners, and welcome you here today at this place. These are the caves here, the most auspicious place and vibrating with the frequencies of meditation, Ashtanga Yoga, Hatha Yoga. Here is the place. Rishi Markandeya, approximately 2000 years back, Rishi Markandeya visited this place, Bali. And the yoga, all the meditation, the practices we are doing, these descends from the Adi Shiva, Lord Shiva. So we are very lucky here even to have the glimpse of these pious caves. They are twin. See here, there is a temple, two caves. Oh, the moment you sit here, you feel yourself fully charged. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. We are in the cozy lap of our Mother Nature, Bali. Om Namah Shivaya. We welcome you here. The humanity has come out of the jaws of COVID-19. It's a game of life. Negative powers, positive powers, life and death. Om. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Om. Let's share a very, very secret thing about the Ashtanga Yoga, the meditation, and the crystallized form, or you can say the nectarous form of all the mythologies to uplift ourselves and merge again into our supreme state that we call timelessness, super consciousness. Beyond the time of this solar power, this solar system, beyond this is timelessness, Brahma. So here we share what Om is. Yogis, before leaving their body, in the last moments, when the purpose of this mortal world is solved, they leave the body, reciting Om, taking their pranas to the Sahasradal Kamal, Mooladhar, Swadhisthana, Manipurak, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Agya, Sahasradal Kamal. Sahasra means 1,000 petals of lotus. Lotus with 1,000 petals, Sahasra we have to reach here. The conscious, the higher conscious from Agya Chakra. So here is Om. Let's recite. I'm sure even to have a glimpse of these pious caves where Rishi Markandeya meditated for years and years and enlightened the people. He awakened them from the deep marsh of the slumber of ignorance. Here is the place. We welcome you here. Today let's join to recite Om, the mantra which we recite at the time of leaving our body. And we welcome you here in Bali to join us to master and perceive samadhi even while remaining in this world and interacting with the world, as Lord Krishna says in Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the authentication comes. This mortal world is transient and perishable. The only purpose of this mortal garb is to achieve perfection and to make ourselves free from the shackles of even this garb, to go food free, even to come out of the shackles, the jail of this body even, of the thought, of the interaction with the world. So here we recite Om and welcome you, Mahayogi Vinodanand, lineage Devraha Baba, Shri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi, Jabalpur, the master of all the 10 Mahamudras, will be sharing here Vajroli, how to control ejaculation system, how to do Khechri, how to go ageless. Here is your friend. Oh, Mahayogi Vinodanand 65. Oh, like panthers. This is yoga. We welcome you here to join us to see the demonstration what Vajroli is. These Rishi Munis, the masters, they gave us these yoga. Lord Shiva, Vajroli, this is the true yoga. To suck milk from your genital organ, complete control on ejaculation system, Khechri, to live hundreds years of age, like our grandmasters. And this. So now we welcome you here to learn the extremes of yoga, of Ashtanga yoga, from Shat Karmas, Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Tratrak, right up to your asanas, knowledge, then your samadhi, then your khechri. So here we welcome you, and with the cooperation of this young girl, can I name you? No. Okay. Oh, wait. So we welcome you to join us. I recite Om. We are sharing the site. Learn Vajroli, Khechri, go ageless. Be a tiger, be a panther. Master asanas. Okay. How to do headstand for us together. How to live or remain young. Even 200, 300 years of age. Most welcome all the yoga centers, all the advanced yogis to this pious place for open discussion, open demonstration and learning, and to share the things. This is purely philanthropic, purely philanthropic. No business. Here in the open, the lap of the mother. Oh, these trees, coconut trees. This mother nature, bank of the river. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching me. Most welcome. Most welcome.